This is Arman. Today I am going to speak about the time. What is the value of time in a human life? First of all, everyone knows that the time is equally distributed among the humans. Everyone has the 24 hours in a day. No one gets the more or a less time. But what is about the money? No one has equal money. Some are rich, some are poor. The biggest myth in the human life is that money brings the money. If someone has more money, they can earn the more. But no, it is not that. As Muskan said, that many people have money. What can we do with our leisure time? So first of all, fact is that if someone has a time, so it doesn't mean that they should spend that in a normal activities like sitting at home, sleeping, laziness. No, if they have an experience, they must do that. What is the time? Time brings us the respect. Time brings us
But
the many
money
things.
also give us respect in society. If we
Listen
want,
now listen. See, you have told that the money brings us the respect. Money doesn't bring us the respect. Money brings a fake respect. If I have a money today, people will will gather towards me. They will say that Arman. But if I don't have money, the first thing will happen to me. My relatives will leave me. My friend will leave me. They will. If I call someone, listen. Now listen. If I call someone that brother, I need your help, he would be like, yeah, what do you need? Tell me.
Yeah,
I need 100 rupees. Firstly, what will he do? Block him. Because he has asked the money. No, it is not the fact. It is a reality. It is a reality of money. It is a reality. Means you want to live in a pool of a snake. You are living in a pool of a snake. It is a fact of the wait. It is the fact of the money that it is the fact of the money that the two brothers are fighting with each other. They are killing each other for the money. It is the money. You are saying that it is a level. You said in your previous speech. Wait, you said in your okay, speak now.
Suppose that in future you will be a doctor, or my second brother will not be anything in future.
Okay.
If he will ask some money from him, definitely you will not give him money. Definitely in current time everyone respect money.
Okay.
That's why you also blocked him. You will also block
If I will not give money to my
This is
brother,
the reality of money, okay?
Wait
Money
now.
never discriminate.
Wait.
Money never discriminate among people. People discriminate between
okay,
people.
now listen. If my brother asked me money, it's my right if I want to give him or not, because it will be my money. So will my brother kill me? Is it his right? Is it?
It is not
Is it
right.
his right?
No.
So why did you say that in the previous speech that you are saying now for the money the people are killing each other, but in your previous speech you said that money is not God, but money is not less than God. Means you are indirectly saying that the God. It is like that the God is saying to kill each other.
No, God is not saying this thing. And my opinion is
You
not that.
compared money to the God.
No,
You
my
compared.
opinion is not
You
that.
said it. You
I'm
compared.
saying this thing, if we want to live a luxurious life
Or-
in this current in
Listen,
this era,
can you
so
earn money
definitely
without the
we
time?
need lots of money.
Can you
Without
earn money without?
We are not doing anything.
Can you earn money without the time?
No, of course, but if we have a lots
No,
of
of
money.
course.
But
How?
if we have a money, listen
Okay.
me carefully
Okay,
now.
you have money.
If we have a lots of money, okay.
Okay.
So definitely I will save our time with the help of money and
How
then
will you save?
suppose that I want to go America.
Okay.
Okay. We will use flight and
Okay.
then.
So can you go America with the bike or the car?
No.
How will you go?
Definitely.
It is definitely a flight only or a sea
You have
base.
a mind to
And
know this
listen,
thing. You have a
listen
mind to
now.
know this thing. You
Now
have
the
a
fact
mind to
is,
know this
Miss
thing now.
Muskan,
Why
listen.
are you listening
Don't
now?
bark here. Let me speak.
Okay, why you are repeating?
The way
You
you talk that the flight is the cheapest thing. You know, flight is the cheapest price.
Alright, so what is the
Alright.
highest thing? Tell me.
What?
What is the highest and expensive thing?
C.
C.
Private jet.
Okay, private jet. Everyone have a money that they will go America with the private jet.
Now
Tell
clap
me.
for her. Clap for her.
Tell
She
me.
was saying money is everything. Now she's saying everyone doesn't have a price. And everyone does not. You know what? 90% of the world population never sits in the airplane also.
I don't want to debate with you.